Hello, my brethren, it is I, the Raven. I'm here with my friend the Brain.
Hello, pathetic mortals.
We are here today to settle something.
Yes, we are here to settle something.
Today, the Brain told me that I'm too black and white.
You are.
So we're going to change that. We're going to add a bit of color to my persona. More precisely, we're going to be adding color to my gloves. Now, I haven't been told how I'm going to do this. The Brain's going to tell me.
Oh, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to do it for you.
But you don't have any hands.
I know. That's why I will be taking over your body.
What?
Don't worry. You will still have control over your body.
How do I know that you're not going to just take it over and take over the world?
Trust me. You can still control your body. You can stop me anytime you like. Just put me on your head.
Okay. If you say so.
There you go. Yes, like this. Now, it is time. Just to make sure you know that you are fine. Make a move on your own.
Alright. I trust you.
Alright, so we're going to need 2 pairs of socks. One black, one purple, and of course, fabric scissors. That's really all you need for this project.
Okay. Well then let's get to the tutorial.
The first thing we are going to do is cut the sock at the bottom of the fingers.
And do the same to the thumb?
Yes. Now we're going to take the purple sock and cut a long strip out of it to add the color.
Okay, then what?
Give me a sec, I'm still cutting.
Okay.
Shut up.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, now we're going to cut the little sticks into the black sock by folding it and then cutting. We'll need to cut both sides of the sock since these aren't the best fabric scissors out there.
Make sure to do more than one row of slits so you can have as much thread as you want. Is it done yet?
No, not yet. Another part. This is probably the most time-consuming part.
Okay, then now what are we doing?
The next part is probably the easiest and the trickiest at the same time. You have to thread the purple strip through the slits you made. Be careful not to skip a slit, as that can happen.
Yeah, slits on black fabric are kinda hard to see.
Precisely.
This is gonna turn out terrible.
Yes, I know. I haven't done this in a while. I don't have hands.
Right.
is harder than it looks.
Yep.
Now we're going to add some more slits because the strip is a little too long for the glove as is.
Okay then.
Right, now there is only one more step.
And what's that?
Just a second. Almost got it. Then you just tie up the loose ends underneath the socks and you are done.
Whoa.
I apologize for the poor quality. I have some hard times when controlling people for the first time.
Are you kidding? They match my aesthetic perfectly. I look terrible and I accept it.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Can you get off of me now?
Yes.
Thanks, Brain.
Don't mention it. No, really, don't. This episode is so bad that I never want to hear about it again. Just you wearing these things. It's gonna make me die inside.
Oh, okay. Well, then let's never talk about this episode again. Well, I guess that's all the time we have left now, folks. And so, as always, until next time,
Stay freaky.